What's going on, you guys? Today I'm going to show you how to do spark plugs on the from 99 to 04 Odyssey. This van is a 2003 Honda Odyssey. If you want to change spark plugs, here's how you do it. First, you have to take the cover off. There's 4 tins on each side. One there, and there. And next, you're gonna take this cover off and use a flathead. It'll be on both sides. And I already did the front 3 spark plugs off camera. And that cover right there, it's on top of that small cover. Be right here, and the big cover is gonna be up here. Then you get those bolts ought to be T40, and I've not done the back ones yet. I loosened the back ones. This is what the bolt looks like. This is what the bolt looks like. Alright, this is a T40 screw. If you take the bolt out, take the clip off of the coil pack. Slide it out of the way. Take the coil pack off. So to the side. Get your spark plug socket. Be 5/8. Get your extensions. Stick it down to the spark plug hole. Grab your ratchet. Stick it onto the extensions. Break it loose and unloosen it by hand. Now it's fully out. Not all the way out, but here it is. Here's the spark plug. This is my second time replacing the spark plugs. Before I post this video, I'm gonna post a video on here, on YouTube and on TikTok, how the van started and ran. Like, it started rough, ran rough. It kind of sounded like you didn't want to start. It sounded like you wanted to die. And when you get your new spark plug, remember I did the front 3. I'll show you the back 3. The back 3 is going to be the same thing as the front 3. Get the spark plug out of the box. Then get your spark plug boot grease, put on the threads and on the other side of the spark plug. Rub it in. Now you're looking like this. Now you've done that, stick it down to the hole, kind of slid it in, and grab the socket. Just hand tighten it right now until it's completely snug. Don't snug it down with the ratchet yet. Yeah, do the others first. I'll kind of get you back in here so you can see what I'm doing. Kind of just sometimes these clips kind of be a pain in the butt to take off. Kind of tighten the bolt down real quick by hand. There you go. So put it on the side, out of the way. Take the bolt out. bolt. All 6 of these bolts are T40s. I'll take your spark plug cord pack out of the way. Make sure to keep these in order. You don't have to, but I like to keep them in order. It doesn't matter which spark plug hole you put them in. Just keep it, kind of keep safe and keep it in order. But just here it is, the spark plug. Take the spark plug out and set this on the side. Get 1 second. Put this one away. Get the new spark plug. Get the new spark plug. Get the spark plug greaser boot thing. Then put them on the spark plug. Now, get the spark plug, put them down in the hole. Now get your socket extensions. Hand tighten only first. After you get the last one in, then kind of go over and tighten down with ratchet and torque wrench. Only tighten with these to 5 foot-pounds of torque right now. Yeah, 5 foot-pounds. Then I get this connector out off the cord pack. Now get the sorry, it's kind of rainy outside. Now I'll get the coil pack out. Put the coil pack on the side. Grab the extension. Put it down in the hole. And put the ratchet on. Listen to it by hand the rest of the way. Not yet. Here's the spark plug. Now I get the last spark plug and do the new spark plug. Do the same exact thing. And I'll show you how to do that. And get the new spark plug out of the box. Give me 1 second there. And get your greaser, whatever it's called, whatever. Mechanics always call like different things. I'm a mechanic. I fix cars for a living, and I like cars. Oh. Whoa. Sorry about that. Put it down. Grab socket, spark plug socket, 5/8. Put it down in the hole. Hand tighten. Now it's tying down with the ratchet. Now, take this. Now wear it down. Tighten down with the ratchet. Yeah. Now, this one. Good. Now let's grab my torque wrench. Torqued. Give me 1 second. I'll get the torque wrench off of the extension. Go down the next hole. Target 5 foot-pounds. I'm on the last one. Hold on, I'm trying to get this torque wrench on into the socket. Torqued. Now you got all the things parked. Now you stick your core packs back in. Stick this one in. Put it in. Grab your bolt. Now, grab the other one. It's in the. Now, grab the other bolt. Grab your last cord back. Put it in the hole. Sorry that this video is kind of long. I'm recording on my phone. Then I like to put connectors on. Push down until you hear a click. And I grab ratchet. Remember, this is a T40 Tux bit. And then I'll go down here. Just go down and snug them. Then second, I'm going to put the spark plugs in the box. I hope you guys are having a great day. It's Sunday. I'm trying to get the stuff out of the way so we can go in the cars, see the car. Now everything's connected. Oh, I almost forgot to plug these connectors in. Again, only thing I like to do is pull a few pump fuse out and turn it over one or two times, and kind of good and start after that. I got the few pump fuse out. You don't have to, but I want to. I just want to kind of do that. So I just want to get the new spark plugs broken in. And I just want to get the new spark plugs broken in. Now, give it actually a real first start. You want to do? Now check everything's good. Make sure everything's good. switches. Everything looks good, and have a good one.